Hello everyone, I am Rolando Santacruz. Today I want to share a small story about what happened to my television last month. Everything started on Saturday afternoon when I sat down to watch a movie with my son. I grabbed the remote to turn on the TV and suddenly the screen turned blue and started showing up with line from top to bottom. At that moment I thought the screen had finally reached its end. However, I got I got up to check up the power cable. I decided to turn it off and turn it back on, hoping it would fix the problem. But it was useless. The TV kept acting up, and the same error appeared again. So I made the decision to open up the TV because I have some experience with electronic device and learned a few things years ago, and also from friend who works with electronics. I looked over everything very careful, but at first glance nothing looked burned or damaged. Then I thought I should look for the problem online to guide myself and try to figure out what was going on. I found several videos explaining the same issue, and after watching many of them, I finally came across on that screen perfect and very clear about how to the repair problem. Once I understood what I had to do, I started to look for the tools and materials I needed. Then I began to repair. It required a lot of precision and careful movements. During the process, I kept thinking that once one movie could mess up the whole TV, I would have thrown it out. When I finished the repair, I felt a mix of doubt and hope. I started to put everything back together and carefully connected all the necessary cables to this it. The big surprise was when I turning it on. The TV worked perfectly. It looked even better than before. I felt very happy and satisfied with the tutorial because it really helped me out and guided me step by step through the repair. This experience taught me something important. I need to take care of my electronic device, clean them more often, and give them preventive maintenance so they don't wear out or break down so quickly. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.